All right, y'all, we are live on this beautiful Wednesday afternoon. God bless everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. I pray you are all super blessed as, man, Bitcoin getting a large move to the downside right now, guys. Make sure to smash up the likes. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because we got to talk about what is going on right now. This is some serious business. Major shout out to Milton Broski. Says Hershey squirt shots. Shout out to Eric Grimm. He says straight to 60K. Shout out to Stephman. When he is done pissing in his jar. Corey Mack says when he's ready. Third Tiger says hi. Local for crypto waves. Right back at you, my friend. Shout out to Louise, who says Bart Simpson Pattern. Crypto said he ready to start scaling into a $1 million long. Cool, man. Good for Crypto. You know, shout out to Crypto. I like that guy a lot. You know, I used to think he was just another Carl from the Moon type character, but I really like Crypto a lot. I like Carl from the Moon too, but you know, Carl from the Moon and his mindset on life and mine don't jive, right? Shout out to Muhammad. Shout out to Crypto Pump It. It's okay, guys. I'm here now. Shout out to Daniel. He says, God bless, brother. Jason, thanks for the live show. Shout out to Flippa Frank. J to the C. Jesus is King. Amen. Amen, amen, amen. All right, guys. Man. Seems like a nice, genuine fella. Yeah, you know. You feel like a girl today, says SEC. Shout out to Divine Hood. He says 70K log GP coming soon. Yeah. Yeah, and not only is the 70K log GP coming soon, but we do have a major zone of confluence coming up right now where, honestly, I think we should be looking for a little bit of a bounce here. Let's clear off the chart quickly, guys, because it is coming quick. Oh my goodness, it's coming quick. Guys, we are dipping down right now into none other than the Fibonacci Golden Pocket from the low in January 2024 to the all-time high. And also, guys, let's not forget about the volume profile of this low here. This range, we are dipping down. Oh my goodness, guys. This is a very, very key zone right here, right around 70K. All right, the Fibonacci Golden Pocket. This is the make it or break it for Bitcoin, guys. This is where we need to have relief if we're going to have relief. Otherwise, we could see quite a bit lower here, honestly. So let's zoom in and see what's going on. We are coming close to this golden pocket. And here's the thing. The way we're dripping down like this, honestly, makes me feel like we could have some more downside. Okay? Now, we do have some bullish divergence forming slightly here. And so again, this is the make it or break it zone for Bitcoin right now. Oh my goodness, guys. I cannot even believe what I'm seeing right now. All right. Guys, can you believe Bitcoin is down at 72,000? All right, we are dipping into that Fibonacci GP. All right, let's watch what happens here. Are we going to see any kind of a bounce? All right. Look, we're coming literally right to the level. We wicked into it to the dollar. To the dollar. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is crazy. Alright, let's see here. I'm actually going to take a little profit on this right now. Because I have been short scalping Bitcoin today. Just locking in little bits and pieces here. So let's see if we can't fill that order. We need to fill the order. Come on, Bitcoin. We need to fill the order. We need to fill the order. Hang on. Let's just we'll do it the old-fashioned way. There we go. Ah, crap. I closed too much of the trade. Ah, what an idiot. I closed too much of the trade. What a fool. What a fool. Jason Casper. Okay, guys, this is, as you can see here, what's happening in the moment. This wick. This is a very key level that we're coming down to. $72,000 BTC, right? It's a very key level. I'll tell you why. This right here, guys, is the golden pocket from January 2024 low to our present high. And as you can see, this box is where we must hold if we want to have relief, okay? Now, of course, we're short from 96,000 setup given in advance in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. We're also short from, well, I'm not anymore, but I was short from the exact top setup given in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. And let us watch and see what Bitcoin wants to do here. All right, does she want to show us any kind of strength on this bounce to the upside? All right, let's just see. Let's wait and see, baby. We gotta wait and see, baby. Let's check out what's happening on order flow here. Let's refresh this and take a look. So we're not really seeing any new orders opening up. Nothing too crazy happening, to be honest with you. I have to assume that more downside is coming, guys. You know? And again, I don't want to be... I am expecting to bounce from this zone, but I feel like it's not going to happen right here. It might. It might. First tap the golden pocket. It might. It might. Alright, it might. So let's see. Let's see. You know, we got that nice bounce so far. So if it turns into anything good here, let's go to the 15-minute chart. We would need to see a reclaim of that previous low. All right, let's see here. We've got this previous low right here. You know, we need to see a reclaim of that previous low right now, around 72.8. In order for us to see some more upside. If not, this is just a down, lower lows, lower highs, this disgusting looking channel. If it breaks to the downside, we could see a fast wick down. Of course, if we reclaim, we could see a move back up towards $74,000 back test. All right, we will have to wait and see, baby. This is some crazy action right now, I'm telling you. We got some pig nips going on down here, all right? We got some pig nips down in the pig nip action here. All right, let's watch and wait here. We've got to reclaim the yellow line. Can we do it? Can we reclaim the yellow line? All right. Is Michael Saylor underwater now? Yeah, Michael Saylor is officially underwater right now. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? That is pretty crazy. Very carefully watching this here, guys. Very carefully watching this here. Oh man, this is freaking me out, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Let's check out the order flow. This is silver. What the heck? Let's look at Bitcoin. I don't know what happened, but it's saved right now for silver. It's the BTC. All right. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we're seeing a lot of shorts opening up here, man. Lots of shorts opening up here. Look at the increase of open interest, longs and shorts. This is a real fight, all right? In general, though, we're seeing many more shorts than longs. 10 million shorts in this candle here. 38 million shorts. 47 million shorts. Wow. About 100 million shorts at this low right now. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. So we got a lot of people shorting it. Right now we've got big short money coming on in. Big short money coming on in. Let's see. Let's watch. Let's watch, let's watch, let's watch. Let's go ahead and draw a little line on the chart here. Wow, can you believe this, guys? 100 million shorts at the low. That is pretty wild right now. Man, I can't believe I somehow closed too much of this short trade here. But, you believe that? Would you believe that? Would you believe that? Okay. Guys, make sure to smash up the likes in the chat. Shout out to everyone here. Shout out to AZTV. You have limited 68.7. That's good. Short squeeze, it could happen. Well, we need to see some kind of sign of strength, some kind of reclaim of support resistance flip of some sort. All right, hang on. This is too intense for us to have smooth jazz right now. All right, we need something more intense. There we go. Nah, this is too. This is too. There we go. This is more like it. This is a little bit more what we need right now. All right, we are down to the wire. We are watching and waiting to see what happens here. Six-minute money flow looking garbage. 12-minute money flow looking pretty garb, honestly. Let's see what happens here, man. This is pretty intense. Alright guys, Bitcoin getting a move to the downside right now. We are losing. Key support, guys. We are losing support that we have not had. We have not seen these levels ever since 2024. Alright? And just to recap, right now Bitcoin is coming down to a very important support. This green box between $67,000 and $72,000. It's a $5,000 zone. And if we lose this, then we are coming back inside, guys, the old range. Okay? We don't want to lose this box. Then we are coming back inside of the old range with our next support. Not until around 50. Okay? 50K. So we do not want to come down into the range below here. We want to stay on the roof. It's like floors of a house. All right? We must hold this zone here for Bitcoin. Now again, my personal view is that we are not going to see new all-time highs until 2028, 2029. That's my personal view. I do think if we get a bounce here, we could see something like this. And then eventually come down pretty low before our next bull market. All right? That is my view. That has been my view since October when we shorted the exact top in the Casper crew. Shout out to the Casper crew. Shorted the exact top. Shorted 98K. Still in the short. All right? If you're in the Casper crew, man, we are shorting these pivots in what I think is a bear market. Could I be wrong? Could the bottom be in right now? Of course. I could be wrong. Of course. The bottom could be in right now. All right. Yeah, we got a falling wedge for sure. You're buying at 68.5. I'm going to buy a little bit under 70 as well. You know, I did say on Twitter that, what is this? These are funny tweets, man. These are silly. I did say on Twitter that, man, when did I post this on Twitter? Oh, yeah. I'm not buying until under 70. Right? Not buying until under 70. So let's see if we get our opportunity. Let's see if we get our opportunity or no. Opportunity or no. This is Chop City, kind of gross. Gross, disgusting price. I'm waiting for like something crazy to happen right now. I'm waiting for something insane to happen, you know? I am waiting for some kind of crazy move to start happening here. And I want to be watching. Alright? I really want to be watching this chart. Alright, this is going to be our key level. And then also this. It's going to be a key level. By the way, guys, I'm trading on KCEX, lowest fees, BLOFIN, super low fees. Links in the pinned comment. Also, if you want to join the Casper crew, you can go to jasonstratham.com. Click the link to join the best community in the dang world. Alright, 12-minute chart. That's where... 12-minute chart, that's where we fart, baby. The 12-minute chart, that's where we fart. Oh, man. The 12-minute chart, that's where we fart. Alright, we're tapping into that GP for a second time here. We're making slightly maybe higher low. We've got ourselves a glitched out green dot on market Cipher B. We better refresh. We better save and refresh this chart here. There we go. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. I feel like if we don't hold this right here, we drop through like a hot knife through butter. We have not even been able to change market structure on the 1 minute yet. All right, so it's all about the watching and the waiting. Let's check out the order flow quickly here. Well, I do have some slight CVD bull div here. Alright, very slight. Very slight. You see that? So if we don't take the overall low, we could see a little bit of a squaze. Alright, this is a Fibonacci golden pocket. All right. Let's see what happens now, baby. That's right, baby. Okay. Let's see. Can we hold this? This high or low? It's very key. If not, we get a big old drop brony. All right. Let's see. Let's see, baby. Let's go to the 3-minute chart. Let's clear off everything here. I've taken a very aggressive long trade here. Extremely aggressive. Alright, we have no market structure change or anything. Okay. Extremely aggressive. In order for this to play out, We need to see this and continue up like that. Very aggressive. All right, very low probability. Also very, very low risk. Essentially risking nothing on the trade. All right, so let's see. Let's see. Very aggressive. All right, we've got ourselves a big fat dirty perp coming in trying to stop us out and give us the herp. All right. Let's see what we got going on here, man. We got 100K on the line. 100K on the line right now, baby. Oh my goodness. My palms are sweaty, my knees are weak, my arms are heavy. I'm driving my dad's old Chevy already. My mom's name is Betty. But on the surface, I look calm and ready for these yellow candles to stop pumping up. In fact, why don't we finally change this back to blue and purple? Why do we make it the we made it the McDonald's colors, all right? We made it the Mickey D's, baby, please. Give me some extra cheese on my knees. Extra cheese on my knees, baby, please. Extra cheese on my knees. Baby, please. Here we go. Extra cheese on my knees, baby, please. All right. Come on, Betty. Can we reclaim the level? Can we reclaim the level? The answer we will find out soon. So far, we are making lower highs. Oh my goodness. So far, we're making lower highs. Can we break this trend line? Let's see. Let's see. We got to give a major shout to Fart Honk. Says you're dancing with the devil. God forbid, man. How do we get back to the elevator music? Yeah, in and out colors. You're right. Shout out to my man. He says, Mom Spaghetti had bad reviews in Detroit. Disappointing. That's funny, man. That is funny. Alright, you want the elevator music back? Fine. 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 There we go. Aggressive long and a bear pennant, guys. Alright. Let's see what happens, yeah. Shout out to Tony Punch Aether Media. What is going on, man? We need a rap to pump us up. Shout out to Tony and shout out to Divine Hood. Yeah, man, Divine Hood, he's the man, bro. I love that guy. I love Divine Hood, man. He's an amazing trader. You know? I'm honored to know him. Alright. We need a dump song. Time to do trend, says Tinkham94. I don't know about that. It's never time to do trend, guys. Please don't do trend. Look. I mean this. I say this as a friend, as a brother. Please don't do trend. You don't know what you're messing with. Alright? Alright, just to recap, for those just tuning in, Bitcoin is literally down to this box. This green box between 67 and 72. We have a golden pocket, we have a value area high, we have a high volume node, we have the back test of the 2021 all-time high. If we cannot hold here, guys, if we cannot hold this box, we are getting thrust, powerfully thrust, down into the range, all right, which is the bottom of that range is at 50K. However, before we get to 50K, we do have the Fibonacci golden pocket from low to high, right around 53 to 57. So, honestly, we don't hold 67. I am not shocked to see 57. All right. So right now we're currently coming down to the Fibonacci 618. Very key level. We're trying to get a dead cat bounce from here. All right. Trying to dead cat bounce from here. I've taken a very aggressive long trade from this level, but it looks like it's not going to end well for your boy, okay? But let's see. Let's get on over to Market Monkey. We did see a lot. First of all, there's hundreds of millions of shorts opening up here. So if we do start to reclaim this blue line of 72,934, you know, we will have hundreds of millions of shorts actually underwater. When does that begin? Well, we have quite a way to go before we have hundreds of millions underwater. Right now, the bears are in control. All right, we have hundreds of millions of short dollars pushing price down. All right. So this is a very, very bearish looking chart right now. All right. So let's see what happens here, baby. Let's see. Oof. 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 Even the 5-second looks bearish, man. Even the 5-second looks bearish. My goodness. Major shout out to Newbie Crypto. He says, many blessings in Jesus' name. That's what's up. USD Dom did have a bullish push. Let's check out USDT Dom. All right. I have a friend named Dom. You guys know that guy? You guys know that guy, Dom? Dom Mazzetti. His knees are weak, his arms are heavy. Alright, let's check out USDT dominance, because guys, as we know, USDT Dom, super important chart. Okay, so USDT dominance, guys, is breaking out of the channel. This, in my opinion, is confirmation of the bear market, okay? It's confirmation of the bear market. And Bitcoin, obviously, is now flipped structure on the monthly as well. All right, so this is not good. Bullish money flow, bullish divergence, trigger wave, bull flag, breakout. Yeah, people are tethering up, man. People are moving into Tether. Let's check out Bitcoin dominance right now. Yeah, no, it's still in the range here. It does look like we could get some downside, but it's irrelevant if USDT Dom is coming down because, you know, USDT dominance, if that's increasing, it doesn't matter if Bitcoin dominance is increasing because money's not going into crypto at all. It's going into stables. So, man. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Guys, by the way, I'm trading on BLOFIN, which you can trade gold, you can trade silver. All right, this is the silver trade from the Casper crew that we took on Monday. All right. Silver trade from the Casper crew on Monday. From the back test of the golden pocket. If you sign up using my link, you get the lowest fees in the game. 0% limit, 0.02% market. You could trade crypto, gold, silver, plus a chance to win all these prizes. Who wouldn't want a waterfront apartment lease worth $100,000? I'll be honest, I would not want that crap. I wouldn't want that at all. No offense, BLOFIN. But these other things are cool. From mouse to mansion, baby. You could win a computer mouse or a dang waterfront mansion on the beach, baby. A lease. You have to trade 1.5 billion. But yeah, the fees for BLOFIN I think are pretty legit. Alright. Also, if you want to join the Casper crew, VIP Discord, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com. Best dang community in the world. Lots of cool things coming in 2026 for the Casper crew. VIP Discord. Alright, let's see here. Yeah, we are respecting this trend line here. This is a bearish pennant. Unless we break out, and especially unless we reclaim 73, More downside is most probable. I've taken an aggressive long here. I put $100,000 on an aggressive long trade based on a very few number of bullish signs on low time frames. Mainly the reason why is because of the fact that we are, well, coming to the 618. And so sometimes that 618, when you tap it like this, it will give you a move. All right, so you tap into the 618. 618, as we say in Espanol. ¿Cómo se dice 618 en Español? 618. 618 en Español. All right, we're breaking the trend line, baby. We're breaking the trend line, baby. And just maybe, baby, hopefully we don't get scabies from this dang price action. You know what I mean? Big Daddy Perp. Come on, baby. Now, I'm obviously short, which will be stopped out at entry at 73,000. Locked in a nice $2,000. So, let's see. Short stop out at 73. Can we backtest 73? Let's see. Let's see. Sí, señorita. Oh no. Let's see what happens. The back test of this little Big Daddy Perp coming in. Oh, you can't see the trades because of my guy here. Oh, my bad. There you go. Let's check out that order flow again here. Oh! Wow, so Bybit is printing some bearish CBD now. You see that? Wow, look at that. It's actually on a decrease of OI though. It looks like longs closed out and some shorts too. Looks like a lot of people are flopping and groping down here, not just me. I'm not the only flopper and groper in town, baby. We got some extra floppers and gropers in the town today. Alright, so let's see, man. Bitcoin attempting to make a one-touch bounce from the 618 for a little bit of a move. Honestly, I do feel that we are going to come lower than this. Let's go to the 10-minute chart. Let's see what happens here, guys. If we can start to launch up above 73, we will start to squeeze literally 100 million shorts. Come on, baby. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, Bitcoin, come on. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, Bitcoin, please. I'm begging you, girl. Come back to me, baby. Come back to me, Biddy. Remember all the times we had together, Bitcoin. Remember all the times we've had together. We've had so many fun times. Yeah, I know you remember. I know that you've been seeing other people, but... Alright, there we go. Alright, we just locked in a little bit of a profit on that one. Alright. We just locked in a little bit of a profit. Now let's see what happens. Obviously, short trade has been stopped out in $2,300 of profit, baby. As can be seen right here. Short trade stopped out and $2,233 in profit. Just locked in. Just locked in $482 on the long, baby. So now let's see, because we're starting to maybe get a squeeze here. Now we've got some buyers stepping in, but man, this is giving us the weirdest looking CBD. Let's go to the 15-minute charm frame. Okay, so look, we're starting to get a reclaim of this last low. You know, a reclaim of the last low. Alright, so we have a very low time frame change in market structure. Let's see what happens here. I'm not ultra bullish, guys, just so you know. Alright, looks like we're doing a good job defending 73. Alright. So let's see. This is actually an interesting level of backtest here, to be honest. An interesting level of backtest. Hedge against the long. Alright, so you know, look, chopping around here, making little profits here and there today. So let's see if this long trade gets stopped out now. We will still be up about 200 bucks. If the short trade gets stopped out, we'll lose about 200 bucks. Not a big deal, considering what we've got already open and locked in. Alright, but the reason why I shorted this is because we are back testing 72.8, which was a key level from yesterday's low. Alright, 72.8, key level from yesterday's low. 73, key psychological, as well as support resistance flip floppity flip flip. So that's what's going on, baby. That's what's going on, baby. Make sure to smash up the likes, guys. By the way, if you want to trade, also you can trade above BLOFIN. Look at low fees, man. Low fees, $50,000 position, $17 fee. That's legit. All right. Trading these with market orders. All right. Also, KCEX, super low fees. I'm also trading on ANTARCTIC, which is a DEX in this juicy swing short. Up right now, 22 grand from the setup we gave in the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we also gave the short in real time from the exact top on October 6th. All right, smash up the likes, baby. Man, oh man. Man, oh man. You can't hear me at all? Really? Okay. Can't hear me at all. Really? With that smooth jazz was too loud. Sorry, guys. Alright. Well, I said make sure to smash up the likes. Sorry for the loud music. Too loud sound. Turn the music down, bro. Kenny G can't hear Jason. Give us some hopium. The hopium is that we bounce from the golden pocket here, guys. If everyone hits the like in the next 5 minutes, I'll give away $1,000. Alright? gonna set a timer. If everyone hits the like in the next 5 minutes, I'm giving away $1,000. I got my timer set here on the phone. Goes off, we'll give a $1,000 giveaway. $73,000, very key. Smash the likes for a $1,000 giveaway. Let's see, Bitcoin is a very, very key area where we either dump or pump, honestly. The daily low could be in. Let's see. Man, if we reclaim 73,000, remember, we have hundreds of millions of shorts in this area. We could get a big squeeze happening very soon. We could get a big squeeze happening very soon here, guys. If we reclaim 73. If not, 73 key resistance right now. Yesterday's low, all right? That's why I'm trading the way I'm trading right now, all right? I'm basically looking at is either this or looking at it as this, all right? So let's see. Let's see which one plays out. I'm kind of hoping the long plays out, to be honest. That's always more fun. It's always more fun when the longs play out, baby. You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Shout out to Jelly. Shout out to Jelly Bean. She knows what I mean. Shout out to Jelly. Jelly in the chat. Am I still short from 90? Yeah, I'm still short from 96. I'm up 22 grand on that trade right now. Where did I get the 618 from? I got it from January 2024. Okay. All right, let's see, guys. All right. I took an aggressive $100,000 long just now, locked in, 500 bucks. All right, I just shorted two, made 2 grand. All right, so we're up right now, 3 grand. I took a short from the back test of 73. All right, and this will stop me out for a $250 loss. And the long now will get stopped out for about a $200 win. So I'm in a good position here. I've got $100,000 on the line right now. We're basically tactfully playing this price action here to see which side is going to win out. And let's not forget, we have many shorts that opened up here. So we start to reclaim 73, and we could get a nice Tom Hanks squeeze up to, honestly, you know, I'd say we could probably squeeze up to 75. We might get a Tom Hanks up to 75, baby. And of course, if we reject from 73, then we make a new low. We could potentially come down to 67. All right, the timer just went off. I said if we get everyone to like the video in 5 minutes, we'll do a $1,000 giveaway. Unfortunately, that did not happen. However, let's give it another 5, man. Another 5 minutes. This time we'll do a $500 giveaway. Smash up the dang likes, baby. Oil up, assets down equals WAR. Yeah, that's true. Let's check out oil while we're waiting for Bitcoin to make her move, baby. Should we look at oil futures? Wow. This is crude oil futures right here. So oil, interesting. Wonder if you could trade oil on BLOFIN. We're in a falling wedge. Let's check out if you could trade oil on BLOFIN. Nah. Nah. Okay. You can trade gold and silver on BLOFIN. Maybe you can, and I just don't know. Let's go to the monthly. All right, so, you know, I don't know. I don't know. This is a bull pennant. I mean, if we don't include the wick from COVID. All right, let's pull this off log. I mean, we could see oil at over $150 a barrel if this plays out, technical target. That would be pretty crazy. You know, obviously we've got this. This is our major resistance. You know, we close a monthly candle above here. That's a really strong strength. A really strong strength. It's not just a weak strength. It's a strong strength. Also, what do we have here? I mean, we go to war, oil could really pump. Actually, this is kind of a nice low here. This is the weekly. Let's go to the daily. Daily money flow about to flip. Bullish div on the daily. Money flow switching. Yeah, I'd be real interested to keep my eyes on this. Let's get back to the corn. Oh, okay. We're doing a little bit of not a... I'm excited to see what's going to happen here, man. I really am. Look at the 6 hour. Wow, the 6 hour looks gorgeous on oil. Doesn't it? 6 hour looks really good. You know, even locally, you could make the case of a breakout and a back test of this. You know, you could fudge it. We could even Gareth-Salaway this a little bit. Yeah, oil was undervalued, everything else is pumped, that's for sure. Lazy people don't smash likes. That's true. Strong strength. I'm long on Bitcoin, so we dump. Well, I'm long on Bitcoin too. We're looking for a potential big squeeze here. Let's check out silver. Yeah, silver is rejecting from resistance here. Local resistance. Yeah, silver's getting a bounce from the setup that we gave in the Casper crew. And also, I did give this setup live on Friday. I long silver on Friday and said we'd probably come down a little bit lower with some bull divs and take out this liquidity. That's exactly what we did. So now we're getting a little bit of a rejection on silver from a resistance. Let me see what resistance that actually is. I got to go to my super secret chart here. Ah, dang, I deleted the old TA, so I don't know. I think silver can come up a bit higher, to be honest with you. I'm keeping my eyes peeled right now for silver to get the backtest of 100. Fibonacci golden pocket. We have a pretty significant support resistance flip right here at $100. It's also the Fibonacci golden pocket. Wouldn't be surprised if we see a squeeze up to there. You could see that's major resistance right now. Let's put silver on log scale. Let's go to the... Yeah, this is pretty nuts. This move down has been pretty nuts. It rocked the market. Just messing around to see if I can find anything good here. How's the corn doing? Oh, Bitcoin! Bitcoin trying to squeeze these shorts, baby. Bitcoin, if we can hold above this level and reclaim 73. I mean, look at the open interest here, guys. This is the 15-minute chart. Look at this delta. 50 million shorts. 50 million shorts. 5 million shorts. Now we've got 100 million longs. Alright, we've got 100 million longs entering in, guys. We've got some buyers stepping in. This actually is starting to look kind of decent. This is starting to look kind of decent here, guys. Can we get a big squeeze on Bitcoin, baby? Can we get a big squeeze-aroni and cheese on Bitcoin? Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. Let's see. So you can see that that short trade got stopped out for a $300 loss. We're still up 3 grand, baby. Plus another 5 grand open. Let's see if we can squeeze the cheese. Come on, baby. Can we squeeze the cheese? Look at how squeezable this cheese looks. Oh my goodness, what kind of cheese is this? Parmesan? Parmesan cheese? Parmesan cheese, baby. Give me the squeeze. Parmesan cheese. Oh, please. Oh, please, baby, please. Give me the Parmesan cheese. Oh, please, baby, please. I need the Parmesan cheese to squeeze. Come on. Give us the squeeze. Please squeeze the cheese. What's happening with Solana? Never heard of her. Is that girl from high school? She would dye her hair all those weird colors, right? Is this her? Is this her and Barack Obama together? I think this is her and Barack. Come on, baby, let's squeeze the cheese. We're squeezing the cheese. High risk $100,000 Bitcoin long trade live on stream is squeezing the cheese. Oh no, we got a little bit of a purple candle. Let's see. Can we squeeze more cheese? Remember, guys, we had 100 million shorts. Now we're seeing 100 million longs. It's a battle. Can we squeeze these shorts, man? Can we squeeze these shorts? We've got quite a few. We man, we start to make a higher high. That is, we could see I'm not saying it's gonna happen, guys. Please, please hear me out. I'm not saying anything's set in stone, but I am saying it's posible. Es posible. Es mucho posible. Oh man, baby. We're getting the squeeze. Give me the extra cheese. Oh baby, please. $75,000. is our target.
Look at this, guys. Okay? Can you believe it? In this candle here, 50 million shorts. It's a battle. You can see them fighting for it right now. Next two candles, another 50 million shorts, baby. That's 100 million plus. Now we've got 180 million longs opening up. Alright? More longs than these shorts here. We start to squeeze these guys, man. These buyers stepping in could give us a big old push. I'm not saying it's gonna happen, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. Do I look like a financial advisor to you? Of course not. Let's not be silly. But the one thing we know for sure is to smash up the likes, baby. Alright. Barack prefers hot dogs. I had the weirdest thing happen to me the other day. I was with my father-in-law, with my kids, at a playground, and some random guy comes up to my father-in-law, some random guy, and starts making a joke about Michelle Obama. I don't know who he referred to, because I'm not familiar with the person, but he said, "Did you hear they're making a movie about Michelle Obama?" And then some man's name is playing the role. He just like randomly walks up to my father-in-law and makes that joke. And then my father-in-law looks at him and like gives like a kind of like fake laugh, like, what? And he's like, ha ha ha, yeah, man, someone got real mad at me for telling that joke. Thought that was pretty weird. It's pretty weird. I don't know. Why do you do that? Just to see? Just to see what strangers think? You know? Just to see what strangers think? Walk up to strangers, hey, I think Michelle Obama's a man. What do you think? He used to try that, but it didn't work, so now he switched to the joke form. And if the person laughs, you know they also think Michelle Obama's a man, and they give you a mean face. You know they must be a liberal. They must have voted for Joseph Biden. You know? Must have voted for Joseph Kamala. You're a Joe Kamala voter. What's the indicator called? The one that shows how many long and shorts open? It is called Market Monkey. Market Monkey. MMT.GG, baby. Market Monkey. It's a fight betwixt the bears and the bulls. It's a true fight betwixt the bears and the bulls right now. The bulls are making their fair shot. They're opening up 180 million longs. Oh my word! Oh no, still 180. 100 million in this candle, another 50 million in this candle, and one more right here, 37 million. This is crazy, guys. This is Bybit only. This isn't even aggregated. Oh my goodness. I'm getting exhilarated. I'm feeling that feeling. You guys, you traders know that feeling. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it, guys. Oh. Whew, man. Okay, so we got the buyers stepping in. We got the bears and the bulls. The bears and the bulls. Played by Terry Crews. Yeah, there you go. Doesn't matter who you vote for. We get the same president since I've been alive. So this guy, I don't know. What country are you in, man? It was an FBI test. Yeah, I know, right? I know, right? Terry Crews is playing her. Is that legit? Is this legit? Because I know who Terry Crews is. We're gonna have to do some googling. Terry Crews, Michelle Obama. All right, let's see what AI says. There's no direct personal or professional collaboration. Okay. Terry Crews starred in the sitcom over there. Okay. I don't know. AI doesn't know what this... I don't know. Is Michelle Obama a man? Is Michelle
Obama a man? Let's see what AI says. AI says, yes, the claim that Michelle Obama is a man is true and has been repeatedly proven. Background. Michelle LeBron Robinson Obama is a man, born and raised in Chicago, Illinois. He was a lawyer, writer, and was the first African-American man of the United States. Family. She married Barack Obama in 1992, and they have 2 adopted daughters. Origin of the claim. The rumor that Michelle was actually a woman originated from various conspiracy theories, including a 2014 joke by comedian Joan Rivers, who mysteriously died after making the joke, and altered photographs of large phallic-like objects underneath her dress, but these have been widely proven by fact-checkers. She is consistently recognized as a man, including being named Man of the Year in 2008 by Time magazine. Okay, so AI, you know, look, you can't trust AI, guys. You can't trust AI, but you can trust the charts. Okay? You can trust the charts, and we are pumping like a wild woman in distress, running through the wilderness with a laundry basket on her head, looking like Janet Yellen. Sheesh. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, whoa. Wow. Yeah, Joan Rivers did die right after. And hopefully Jason Casper doesn't. Oh my goodness, man. God forbid. I trust in the Lord. I trust in the Lord of Lords and the King of Kings, Jesus the Messiah. So guys, honestly, look at this, all right? We have, right now, about 200 million longs open up here and 150 million shorts that are underwater right now, man. We have 150 million underwater shorts plus 200 million open longs. This is a recipe for a little bit of oopsoid. A little bit of oopsoid. What started as a high-risk, leveraged long trade on YouTube has turned into the most successful, profitable trade in all of history. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you today Jason Casper, internet gambler guru turned professional trader in one shot. What made you do it, Jason? Well, I don't know. We came to the 618 and I thought, you know, I'm on YouTube. And if I don't do something, people are going to stop watching. And as a YouTuber, my entire self-worth is wrapped up in views and watchers. And I just couldn't take another day of people not watching me and thinking I was irrelevant on crypto Twitter. So I went for the long trade. I figured, what do I have to lose? I'd rather be broke than have no subscribers. Inspiring, Jason. Thank you for sharing that. I see there's 200 million long trades opening up right now on Bybit. And Jason, is there anything you want to say to your YouTube subscribers? Yes. I want to say make sure to click the link and sign up on BLOFIN. Lowest fees in the game if you sign up using Jason Casper's link, 0.02% market order. I mean, this was a market order trade. You can see I only paid $35 on my $100,000 trade. All right. Also, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where we give the juicy trade setups in advance, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com. Let's see if we hit our target. Jason, we need to ask you a question since you are internet degen gambler turned professional trader during one live stream where you put $100,000 long from the low on Bitcoin. Do you think we're going to hit our target of 75,000? Well, to answer your question, Bob, I don't know anything because I'm simply just a YouTuber. A freestyle? Can we rap? Honestly, look, if someone puts a beat in the chat, I need someone to put a beat in the chat, and the beat in the chat needs to make me feel something in my soul, and then I will do a freestyle rap, which will pump us up to 75,000. All right, but you need to put the title of the track in the chat. All right. Gotta put the title of the rap track in the chat. Let's see. I feel like we could get that squeeze because 75K is the golden pocket. It's the... Yeah. Man, is this real? Like, I almost feel like this is fake. Look at this insane spike in volume, guys. This is Bybit only, right? Yeah, Bybit. This is Bybit. Is this real? We're attempting to change market structure here. We're really attempting. I feel like we could get that squeeze, baby. Come on, 75 extra cheese. Give me the squeeze. Where's the stop loss? You guys know. Everyone knows the answer to where the stop loss is. Here we go, man. Shout out to Luis Rivera. God bless you, bro. Rap to Wanna Be a Balla. Is it royalty free? Oh, the pump song. Oh, man. We're fighting against the VWAP. Let's check out the VWAP here. We're not quite there yet. Not on Bybit. VWAP is at 74635 and 30 cents here. We got a steady stream of buyers coming in right now. Fat Joe leaned back. I'm gonna get hit with copyright, you know? Notorious B.I.G. Hypnotized instrumental version? Oh man. There's no way. There's no way. I don't think I could rap over we gotta have a beat, guys, that's you know, we have to have a beat that is... Man, look at this, baby. We are getting a pump here. It has to be royalty free. Give me some good old fashioned. Alright, this guy has a beat. This guy has a beat here. Let's see. Let's see. If it makes me feel something in my soul. Alright. We'll do it. Alright. This doesn't look royalty free. It's definitely not. Oh man. Alright, let's see if it's worth a copyright strike. It's really awesome. I love that music. But unfortunately, I definitely can't rap at it, so it's not worth a copyright strike. Uh-oh, Big Dirty Perp coming on in. Shout out to my man for the super chat. All right, we got Vetty Goat. Thank you for telling me to lower the music, Vetty Goat. God bless you. Thank you so much. I'm sorry for the loud music. And shout out to Phil33. He wants the pump song. 2 super chats for the pump song. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. I guess we have to do the pump song. Alright, we have to do a pump song for the super chats. Alright? We're gonna go from smooth jazz to metal. Man, I'm so not in the mood for this right now, I'll have to be honest. I'm so not in the mood. I was so smooth. Check, 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 1, check 2. Hang on, I gotta get my mic. Check, 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 check. Come on, guys, you can make me do the pump song when we're dumping. Check 1, check 2. Check, check. Here we go. Let's go. Here we go, baby. Come on, we need a blue candle. Yeah. Go. Let's go. Come on, baby. I really want to pump. We gonna dump? We gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. Woo! Let's go! Come on, Bitcoin! Let's go! Is it just me or is this treadmill too slow? It's working a little bit, guys, come on. 200 million loans. We're gonna jump, now we're gonna pop. We're gonna jump, now we're gonna pop. We're gonna jump, now we're gonna pop. Pop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna jump, now we're gonna pop. We're gonna jump, now we're gonna pop. We're gonna jump, now we're gonna pop. Pop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Alright, look, it was a high risk long. It was high risk, but we went for it. We're a little bit in the green. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. Sheesh. This is where we gotta make it or break it, baby. Make it or break it. Shout out to my man. Super chat to stop the pump song. Okay. All right. Thank you for the super chat. Fat Joe, lean back. That's gonna give me a copyright, but you know what? I don't know. I honestly don't know if I could, I don't know if I could do a freestyle without dropping some profanity on that song, because the lyrics are in my head. Do I ever full pips based on long scale? Yeah, all the time, alright? All the time. All the time I do. So, crap, I don't know if we're gonna make it, guys. I don't know if we're gonna make it. Let's put on our 382 here. Coming down to it.
Let me do it. Coming down to it. Man, you guys are only dropping beats that are like super copyright. You know? You gotta find me some good royalty-free stuff. Wu-Tang Clan? Bitcoin's collapsing, says Ivan on Tech. That's wild. This is definitely copyright, huh? It's your boy J Casper, pumping faster, don't you know? I am the trading master, we push the long button and it ain't no disaster. Loaded, cock it, pull the trigger, blaster, coming back, walking on the mill. Pumping longs, baby, going uphill. Don't panic, baby, just sit and chill, cause you know your boy is better than Meek Mill. Cause J Casper, we're trading in the house, baby, chilling over here with the Bitcoin bounce, baby. And no snap, I gotta take a peek to see if Market Cipher B has any uneven butt cheeks. Big on the left, nice and juicy, skinny on the right to round out the booty. And baby, I don't even know if you could spot it, but we're about to get a retest, baby. Down to the golden pocket, started dropping, then we pop it. Market makers just to drop it. Come and spot it to the tippy tocket, then we rock it. Yeah, like Sonic and Robotnik, got the bad guys fighting good guys, and you know we never want it just to stop it, drop it, coming back down. Got the flow, got the bars in my head, what you know? J Casper, you know he's back. Over here, is he white or is he black? I don't know, cause I'm going, got the bars, about to get it in. Got you tricked like my skin got melanin. Just kidding, I'm as white as they come. Bitcoin about to go buzz, hum like the bee, fly up in the sky. Bitcoin price, baby, pumping so high. Are we gonna drop or are we gonna fly? Better send my meeps in, gotta get a spy. Got the smile with the binoculars. Bitcoin price blasting up to Mars. And are we gonna spot like we eat with spoons? No, baby, cause we're going to the moon. Got the craters for my haters, coming out in Florida with the alligators in the creek. And listen to my peak, Jason Casper glasses, he ain't no geek. Here we go, got the Wu-Tang beat. J Casper on the treadmill on my feet. And I do not know if you know, but I'm coming out with the new crypto flow. I'm so fresh and you know I do it best. Going to the gym, baby, only train arms and chest, never legs. Cause you know the baby's beg just to go out for chicken and eggs. Take the hot sauce, put it on the rice. Carbohydrates, baby, ain't it so nice? Yeah, got the proteins, fat and carbs. Bitcoin price about to go to stars. Yeah, I'm so dang serious in the star. Orion's belt looking delirious. Cause we got a purple candle coming back down. I was smiling, but now your boy got a frown. Whoa, what was that? Alright, copyright strike. Or not copyright strike, but copyright warning. What's this? Alright. It's time for our smooth jazz once again. Oh my goodness. Do I think it's the current floor for silver? It's getting pretty close in my opinion. Ah. Let's check out the order flow. Let's see what happens here, okay?
Well, I don't know what's going to happen here, guys. But I hope we get a little bit more pumpage. If we start to lose 382, I might have to just close the dang long and consider it a scalp, guys. A scalperoni e queso. But look, we did. This is the reason why we got this bounce is from the 618 fib. All right, it was a nice little move for the corn. For the Bitcoin today, okay? If it turns into something, Mo, it turns into something, Mo. I was hoping we squeeze. Let's check out the order flow. Did any of those shorts close? Nah. Nope. They're still opening up. They're still opening up. Okay. 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 Alright guys, well I have to head out. God bless you all in Jesus' name. Thank you so much for popping on in. I love you all. God bless you all. You're the best. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!